Pants and trousers are quite difficult to make, so I thought I'd use a pattern. I'm just going to make the pants. I don't really wear the tops. I decided to use some children's material because the adults is not very exciting. I think I got around 2 meters 10, 20. I've cut the pieces out, flipping the pattern over, so to make sure I've got 2 symmetrical pieces. And then the first thing you want to do when sewing is line up the leg inside out and sew all the way down. One of the legs has to be flipped out the right way, and we're going to insert that into the other leg, as you can see here. This particular pattern has an area where you can make a button-up do-up at the front, so it opens completely. You could always cut that piece off and just make it elasticated. We've sewn all the way around the crotch, leaving the front open. So I've folded this piece inward, and we're going to sew all the way down that line. Now I've folded the waist in, leaving it open at the front on both sides. Now I'm inserting some elastic, and we're going to sew this both ends to each side. This is all the way around the back, and this is obviously the front opening, and we're going to sew that up. I've played around with the front to make sure it sits flat, and I'm going to sew the whole thing up. I don't particularly want it to open all the way. I don't think that's necessary for me. But here we're just deciding on a button to use, just to make it more decorative, I suppose. It doesn't serve its function as a button, it's just for the appearance. And then I've hemmed the bottom of the legs. And here it is. Problem is, I can't actually wear them yet, because in New Zealand it's still bloody hot.